In today's video, I want to show you a cheesecake that comes together really quick using these three ingredients. If you want, you can add a little vanilla and also a little bit of lemon, but you don't need to. It comes together great. This is perfect for family parties or just because you need some cheesecake. It is so delicious. Look how this comes out of the pan. A little bit of cherries on top just makes it the perfect dessert. I took my cream cheese out of the refrigerator about half hour, 45 minutes before I was ready to use it. You really want that to be very soft. That way it mixes up really nice. If it's cold, it'll leave lumps and you'll have trouble getting the lumps out. I always take a pair of scissors to cut them open and just dump them in the bowl and get ready to use the mixer. If you're enjoying this video today, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. Just have to point out my little Hamilton Beach. I've had this one for so long. This thing didn't cost much and it works like a charm. It has worked for at least, I would have to say 10 years I've had this one. It's probably time to replace it just to have a brand new shiny machine, but why replace it when this one works so good? Mainly what I want to do is just kind of break it up. I know I can't get it smooth as I want it right now until I put in the sweetened condensed milk. So once I get it broke up really good, that's starting to look about right. Even though most of it's on the beaters, that's okay. I'm going to grab that sweetened condensed milk and dump that in. And then you just want to blend it until it's nice and smooth. It doesn't take too long. It worked pretty good when I put it on high. This part is really important to get it really smooth because this is a no bake, so you're going to be dumping this right into the pie crust. I am going to go ahead and add in a teaspoon of vanilla and a little bit of lemon. The lemon that I'm using is those lemon packs, and I will show you what I mean by that. Every time I go to use my lemon that's in my refrigerator, it seems like I'm either out or the lemon juice that I buy is gone. So I buy this. This True Lemon works great. It's always available. It's never bad. And it has the directions right on it for how much you need. So that is my go-to. I will use 2 packets. Here you can see the directions. Each packet equals the taste of 1 lemon wedge. So you just kind of decide on how much you want to use. But it's nice to always have it in my cupboard. I always know I have lemon. I love that. So I just grab 2 of these and put it in. It's not, I like just a little hint of lemon. I don't want it to overpower it. Also, I can leave a link to this down below in the description box. And then you just want to give it a good mix. Once this is fully mixed up, it'll be ready for the pie crust, and all you need to do is dump it in. That looks perfect, just about right there. Now I'll just dump it in this pre-made graham cracker crust. It's handy, you know, things like this, you can make them yourself. I like to cut corners on occasion. It gives me more time to sew and do all the things I love to do. I should have used one of my lighter bowls. This bowl is so heavy and I'm struggling to hold it, but I'll scoop it out. It'll be easier. Then I just want to lightly go over it and make sure the top is nice and smooth. The thing that works for me every single time is I stick this into the freezer for a half hour to 45 minutes, pull it out, and it will cut perfectly for you. And then once you get whatever slice you want, keep it in the refrigerator and you'll be able to take out whatever piece you want throughout the week. I think I could call this no-fail cheesecake. This comes out so perfect every time. This is what it looks like before I put the cherry topping on. It just holds together with each bite. I love it when I can find a dessert that comes together this quick and it's this good. And if you follow the way I did it, no oven required, which that is a bonus. Sometimes the oven can be filled with so much stuff or you just don't want to run the oven because it's hot outside. Well, this was a fun one to make. At the end of this video, I'm going to put up a couple of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.